So let's say you want to rotate this image, and it works with any other layer, exactly the same. So all you have to do is just click on it, and then you can just drag the corners in any direction, and that's how you basically rotate it. Now, if you hold shift while you rotate, it will rotate in increments of 50 degrees. You can see the degrees right here. Okay, so we're gonna go from 0 to 15, 30. This is useful if you want them to be aligned, like for example, like 90 degrees or like 180 degrees, or like, you know, stuff that's multiple of 15 degrees. Another thing you can do, you can obviously go right here on the right side and adjust the angle manually. Maybe you want to make it 90 degrees or like 128 degrees or like 7 for some reason. That's how you do it. Another thing you can also do is just right click and flip horizontal or like flip vertical. And if you don't like it, you can just press Ctrl Z a few times to undo everything you just did. But yeah, that's how you rotate in Figma. That's how you flip them. That's how you play with the rotations and different inclinations for your layer. And it works exactly the same with the text and anything else, videos included, or like anything else you can have in Figma. So yeah.